Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to use full screen navigation on Redmi 13c device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, go ahead and open settings menu on your device. Okay, after that here you can scroll down and then please select home screen option. Well, in this section, please select system navigation menu and then you can select gestures. Okay, and then to learn how to use this navigation, you can press learn here. And then follow the instruction. Okay, when finished, and then click I'm done here. Well, that's the tutorial on how to use full screen navigation on Redmi 13c device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.